Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale. It is located on Foga Road in Denbigh, Clarendon. It comes with a spacious kitchen and covered garage. The property is being sold unfurnished and is in immaculate condition. The area is cool and welcoming. It also have a lot of yard space. Owner is motivated to sell and no reasonable offer will be refused. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.